here with BochaSweet, and today we're going to be making some keto cinnamon muffins using our BochaSweet Keto Cinnamon Muffin mix. This mix is super easy to make. It's all weighed out for you, all the ingredients. We've done all the heavy lifting, simply coming up with this formula so that you don't have to search online trying to find the perfect keto recipe. We did it all for you right here in this pouch. So all you have to do is add 3 eggs, half a cup of butter, bake it for 12 minutes, and you got some hot cinnamon muffins ready to go. Today I want to do something a little different. I want to add a different ingredient, and that's zucchini. I happen to have an organically grown zucchini popping out of my garden right now. And I'm just going to add a little bit of that in just to spice things up. So let's go out to the backyard and grab this zucchini. Alright, now that we got the zucchini, we're going to cut this up. Probably use half of this, and then we're going to put it in this food processor. So I have my zucchini processed right here. Then I'm going to add in a pouch of the mix, the eggs, and the butter. Let's go. Alright, first we're going to add in the pouch of the Keto Cinnamon Muffin mix. We're going to add in the 3 eggs. Add in the half cup butter. And last but not least, let's add in the chopped zucchini. Now add in the batter into the muffin liner. So here we have it. These 12 muffins are now ready to bake in the oven. I already have it set for 425 for 12 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, try this recipe at home. You'll find that these are super delicious, and I'm going to give these a taste. Let's see how they came out. Good. Delicious. So head over to BochaSweet.com and grab your Keto Cinnamon Muffin mix.